It's too busy. No. What is it? It has a Toyota symbol, so is it a Subaru motor?
It's a V10.
What?
It's a V10.
Well, okay.
No, it's a V12. I lied.
I don't know. So what is it?
See how there's 6 runners on each side?
Is it a Subaru or is it a Toyota? Or...
I don't know what brand engine this is.
Okay. Yeah, no, I see what you're saying.
That doesn't belong.
No.
Well, actually, no, it does. But this is. Wow, I need fun.
Oh, it is a Toyota Century. It has to be. It fucking has to. It's the 3G, I think. 3G. This is the guy who went to Burger King. I'll have 6 cylinders and 6 more cylinders.
Huh?
Dude, it's twin too? That's crazy. So, okay, every single one of this guy's projects has the 2JZ in it. This is a twin turbo V12.
That's absurd.
Yep.
That's ridiculous.
How does that fit?
It does. They're older cars. Like they're older legs.
I'll give us exactly the manifolds. Give me his Apex.
You told me.
Oh, back to he might give me his Apex for free. ¿Será que te gusta jala?
Remember to drink water.
¿Qué motor es?
Yeah, hydrate. And catch a break, stay out of the sun. It is sunny out there. Our learning center is fully shaded. Right next to our learning center, there's even more shaded space where you can relax.
And he just bought it for
Also,
30
drink water. Yeah, no, and if you did that earlier today, do that again. Sunscreen also, good for people who maybe need it. Vitamin sunscreen, reapply.
2 of them.
Coming up at 12:30, it's our next in the series of educational seminars in our learning center. Top Tuning will present starting at 12:30. The future of Subaru Flex Fuel tuning. Yeah, Flex Fuel is here. What's next for it? How will it work with Subarus in years to come? Top Tuning has a whole seminar featuring Subaru Flex Fuel tuning. That's at 12:30.
I follow this dude on Instagram.
I
follow this dude on Instagram. It's a V12. It's a limo motor. It's freaking awesome. It's like one of the coolest cars I've ever seen. Hearing this thing is nuts. It's insane. I follow this dude on Instagram. This thing is a beast. Dude, I mean, honestly, he's got a 2J swap one too. Like, that bitch is nutty too. They're both insane, but this thing like takes the cake. The sound of it is insane. Like,
Damn, he did good on these manifolds.
Oh no, yes, dude, that's
Fucking hell. Bro, there is a literal cunt hair in between the manifold and the frame rail. And the steering shaft too, Jesus Christ.
That shit's tight.
Not bad. You made this in a good garage.
are you kidding me?
The whole car in the garage. Jeez. So John's a fucking psychopath.
Dude, this is what I was talking about yesterday. Yo, he's still using the Grimsby boost controller. You think this guy's like racing people on the street? That's hilarious.
That's so badass.
And he has it turned down right now because his Sports internals didn't come in time, so I think it's only on like 7 pounds.
Alright, coil packs. Look at the size of the fucking
Right
wastegate.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Really? And that's only one of the wastegates.
Yeah, I know. It's
I'm
ridiculous.
surprised he has so much more room on this
Let's
side.
check his oil.
I ain't even... Random Subaru part is this. Oh my god, he's still stock fans. Stock fans.
Oh shit.
Sorry. Fortuning valve. So on this, you had to get rid of ABS.
Yeah.
They say because on the 1J all-wheel drive setup, it still had ABS, DCCD, everything.
You brought it from fucking...
Yeah, Canada.
like the Audi.
They brought her all the way down from Canada. This is the reason I came here. I wanted to see this car in person.
The turbo, like on new Subarus, the turbo
Isn't in the back anymore.
What the hell is this?
Oh, it's a Corvette LS6.
in a Subaru.
Yeah, they do them every once in a while.
Turbo down, emblem.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's a super engine. Is it a 6 or an 8? It's an 8, so I'm thinking it's an LS engine. Or it's a Lexus engine. Lexus V8.
I don't know, there's no information over to tell.
What's that?
I don't know. It's either a
Yo, Joe!
LS6 or it's a Lexus V8.
I'm willing to bet a Lexus.
It fits really well. Yeah, that guy was smart as hell.
Yeah. He's saying it's a V12.
Alright, so...
6 and 6. Maybe it is a 12. What did Toyota make that was a 12?
No. John, if you have a camera in here, I love you. He does right there! John, I love you! Huh? It's a Toyota V12. I don't know what it's out of. A Century. Century? Yeah, it's insane. And it just looks like it belongs in there. Like it fits so good. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know how you did it. I've been following this shit for so long. Yeah, I mean, because he's on like the 2J swap.
Is that a Viper?
Right?
In the car even wingless. I think that's a V12.
I think the color's nice.
How many cars get V12s?
That's a V12. BMW. Mercedes. Yeah, and they whacked the turbo on it. 2 turbos.
I just want to hit it.
Especially the back.
Oh man, this is so.
Lexus V12.
Yeah. Look at how well, like, there's nothing really like cut out.
I think we have seen that before.
Like everything is the frame is still the same, and just the way the turbos come up and fit, like it's just such a snug fit.
Doesn't look like
Perfect.
they shaved much either.
No. Other like the like the fuse box and stuff is gone. There's no battery, which I bet it's all in the trunk. But it's just fucking insane, dude. How about these coilovers? The adjustment you get out of that. Man, that's not.
That looks like an OEM style cooling fans on the
That's
radiator.
like fucking top.
And it still manages to fit.
I noticed
fucking
his
ridiculous.
tires, the front tires he has, are super aggressive. I tried to find them. They're out of stock everywhere. Back
Looking at the rat's nest of exhaust piping to get it to that turbo.
So I sit there in one spot.
It looks ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm not very artistic.
Yeah, because the collector's up here. So they've got that one back pipe coming all the way up here.
It's 2 turbos. Twin turbo. That is clean. Wow. That's a twin turbo power. They got twin, and it's Toyota. That is very clean. That's aggressive.
I wish more people would do like a symmetrical turbo.
Yeah.
There's a company that was thinking of the whole everything. It's just
Looks better. What engine is that? Is that an 8-cylinder? 10. Is it a Viper engine? What is that?
material. It's really.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Good, Channel.
This thing is fucking huge.
So definitely a 10. Is it a 10?
Jesus Christ, look at that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 12. It's a 12.
Nope, overhead cam.
Oh no.
I don't know what this is. There's a lot of metalwork. Twin turbos. That's a lot. It's a V10.
Is it? Oh, it is.
Viper V10?
That's
I don't know.
It's amazing that it fit. I wonder if they had to hack up the firewall. I'd imagine so.
I don't know. It's got like they must have modded that subframe like crazy.
Huh?
People love right. Some people buy McChickens, some people are putting V12s in their Subies. What is it V12 out of? Ferrari?
No, not Ferrari. It's a wastegate though. 250
I literally don't know any Toyota V12.
Yeah, Toyota badge in the front too.
Came in this morning.
2GR in here, isn't it?
Scanned by one of our volunteers.
Or is it a V8? No, it's a 2G. 2JZ, I mean.
Like, okay,
I'm gonna head
come on,
over
I'm
there.
looking.
Oh, shit.
I'll see it.
Be careful. Some people are anal.
I didn't, that's why I put my hand behind my back. Like, wow, this is a 2JZ swap. This is sick. This is amazing.
A car that has like cloud on the hood and I like
So-
pictures like this.
Because I had to be able to get a picture of it. That is sick.
What am I looking for? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. V12? Twin turbo. It's a Toyota V12.
Nani?
This thing, yo. This thing flies. It's mine. The twin turbo. What the？这啥呀？这是？这是V12。
这款斯巴鲁。
啊，这不是斯巴鲁。这就是斯巴鲁啊！这搞错的。对。你不感觉这车
？V12 STI。
对啊，你不感觉这车？
Everybody meet Betty.
That looks clean.
This is Bucky Lassek's rally car, which he drove to great success several years ago, I believe, and which is now making a reappearance. It's Betty.
That's cool. Is that a
Makes you
V12?
beautiful.
I don't know if it has 2 runners per cylinder or not. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exhaust ports, yeah. 6 on each side, yeah.
Yep.
Wow. Wonder what that's out of. I don't know. That's cool. Twin turbo V12. Well, I'm sure that's got some talent.
Wow.
All-wheel drive. Nah.
Is this double twin turbo? Or is this quad turbo? Is this quad turbo? No. It's twin turbo. And it's a V8.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Why has it got a Toyota badge?
I love the Toyota badge.
Oh, it might be a Toyota V8. Wait,
That's a V8. That's a LS, I think. I think it's a LS.
it's not a V8. It's a W12.
I guarantee you this is the LS.
I've seen
There's
this guy.
still some room in some of the grandstands.
I had him on my
for sure.
Instagram
We have
forever. This is an
pretty good,
LS.
but there's a lot of space here at Wicked Big Meet 2023, presented by Subaru and Subaru
5.
of New England.
6. What the shit? What the fuck's the motor?
This guy's got one of these, and he's got a 2JZ one.
That's a V12.
One import output? No.
6. 12. How the fuck did you get that in there?
A lot of work, Tim.
You don't even need 2 turbos with all that motor.